Okay, in this video, we're going to show you how to use the WORX Build on your Android TV box. Once you turn the box on, it will start up right here. This is your main menu bar where you have a tools section, a kids section, movies, TV shows. All your favorites will be stored in here. A live TV section, HD and 3D movies, sports and pay-per-view, stand-up comedy, and music. We're going to go ahead and start on the movie section. Select movies on the main menu bar, and it's going to give you several options to choose from. You can choose from genre, which means comedy, action, adventure, horror, whatever type of movie you want to search for. You can search by year, what year the movie was made, who was in the movie, what other people around the world are watching, what's most popular, and in theaters. For this example, we're going to go into what people are watching because you can always find a good movie on that. And we'll go ahead and select the first one. When you first run it, it's going to search for sources. When it's searching for sources, it can take up to 30 seconds. But this time it found the sources in about 5 seconds, so we didn't have to wait. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the first one. On the far right hand side, you can see it says HD. And then down here on the far right hand side, it says SD. SD means standard density. HD means high density. So we're going to go ahead and select a high density feed. Now it's working, and voila. The movie select is going to start up. Okay, for copyright reasons, I'm going to go ahead and stop this. I'm not allowed to record content. Next section is TV shows. You're going to find all your favorite TV shows in here, whatever you want to watch. Whatever your favorite show is from any network, just about. If the content is out on the web, this media search engine will find it. So same thing, you can search by different categories. You can search by networks, people watching, most popular, most voted, and at the very bottom there's an actual search where you can type it in. For this example, we're going to go into networks, and you see there's a list of networks here. So we've got AMC, ABC, A&E. We're going to go ahead and click on, let's see what's on AMC. It should have every TV show that network plays. So we're going to go ahead and select this one. Once you select on your selection, it's going to ask you which season you want. We're going to go ahead and click season 2. And then it's going to give you a list of the actual episodes in that season. We're going to go ahead to the newest one. And it's searching for sources. This can take up to 30 seconds. Okay, once it's found its sources, once again on the right hand side you see HD, SD, that's your quality. We're going to go ahead and select HD. If you do have a slow internet connection, you're probably going to want to choose standard density. So you can see it started up. So if you have a slow internet connection, you're going to want to choose standard density. But this unit is capable of 7.5 gigabyte dual band Wi-Fi, which is about twice as much as what you'd need to play a movie in high density. Okay. Next section I'm going to show you is live TV. Select on live TV. And if you want to watch, there's about 3,000 channels on this plugin. But in English, I believe there's about 300. So we're going to select English. And a list of all of the stations is going to come up. And there's a lot of them. That there's a little tiny cursor on the right hand side, and it's still going. So there's a lot of channels in English here. And this is all live TV happening right now, so there will be commercials in this section. In the TV shows section, there is no commercials. It's not live. But typically the quality is better in the TV show section. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to click on Fox News. And as you can see, the station's playing in pretty decent quality. And so I'm going to stop there. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to get Spanish TV stations or in other languages. If you have if you want to watch TV in Spanish, click on search. Type in Spanish. And a whole list of Spanish TV stations will pop up. And to add an item to favorites, you're going to see a little button by the a little button that looks kind of like a hamburger. It's got 3 lines on it. You're going to click on that and click on Add to Favorites. And now that station will be there, and you don't have to look for it anymore. HD and 3D movies, if you have all the movies in this section are going to be of very high quality. On the main menu bar is going to be your high quality movies. On the sub menu bar is going to be your 3D movies. On the next section, you've got your sports and pay-per-view. On the main menu bar is where you're going to find all your professional games. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll see here we got NBA games, NHL games, NFL games, and Major League Baseball games. There is no NFL right now, so we're going to select on NHL. And shows here that we have 2 games on today. This is a Tuesday, so neither one of these are started yet. So we're going to back out of here. We're going to see NBA games. And it's still early in the day, so there's a lot of games that are not started yet. But you can find it just about any game you want to watch there. Down on the sub menu bar, you're going to have sports and pay-per-view links. And here is a list of links that are known to provide good sports content. So you're going to want to go ahead and say if there's a fight or a UFC or something that you want to watch, go ahead and click on one of those links. And you'll see here boxing, WWE, and UFC. Got football, baseball, ice hockey, basketball, tennis, motorsports, rugby, darts, snooker, whatever that is, golf, handball, cricket, and others. So there's all kinds of stuff you can find, and you can find games in different links also. So, and you might find a better stream if you go into a different link. So a lot of them are going to look the same. American football, boxing, WWE. And so you'll be able to find the same games and same fights on different links, but you're going to want to pick out a stream that's start in enough time so you can find a stream that's of good quality or decent quality. Next section is stand-up comedy. And last but not least is your music section. You've got Pandora down here. You got karaoke. And that's the basic demonstration on how to use the WORX Build. Hope you enjoy.